Programming can be lots of fun and extraordinarily useful. It allows you to be creative and also opens up a wide range of new careers for you. The demand remains strong for programming jobs because it opens the flexibility to work from home. If you want to learn how to program, follow the steps in this video for an explanation of where to go and what to study. 1. Choose a programming language. Computer programming is done as essentially a set of written instructions that the computer follows, also known as binary coding. These instructions can be written in several different languages, or which are simply different ways of organizing the instructions in text. Different languages tend to be used to create different types of programs, however, so choose a language that you feel is relevant to what you want to do. If you decide that a language does not suit your needs, you can always move on to a new language. 2. Consider C, C++, C# and related languages. These languages are mainly used for creating standalone computer applications such as games. C and C++ are difficult languages to learn for a beginner, but not impossible. Learning them will give you an in-depth understanding of not only programming, but also of how a computer works. They are popular and widely used, though C#, a language very similar to Java, is starting to become much more common. 3. Consider Java or JavaScript. These are good languages to learn if you want to work on making web plugins or mobile apps. These languages are very much in demand right now, so they are handy to know. Keep in mind that Java and JavaScript are completely different languages, despite the similarity in names. 4. Try Python. Python is a very versatile language used widely across several platforms. Despite being extremely powerful, it is an easy language for a beginner to pick up, so give it a try. 5. Consider PHP. PHP stands for PHP, Hypertext Processor. It is a web programming language and relatively easy to learn due to its weak typing and popularity. It is a great language for server-side programming. Remember, don't limit yourself to these languages. There are tons of programming languages, all with varying uses. If you want to work as a programmer, you will need to know more than one, so learn as many as you can. Sometimes your best bet will be to look at online ads for the sort of jobs you want to get and look for the common languages that they ask for. So now you know, computer programming can be a valuable career choice for you with so many benefits. Hope this information helps you. Thanks for watching.